So follow along and we'll get going here. I've got the LM386 inserted into my breadboard with pin 1 in the upper left hand corner. Now I'm going to bridge the power rails. So connect the positive rails on both sides and the negative rails on both sides. Now I'll take a jumper wire from pin 2 of the LM386 and connect it to ground. Now insert a 10K potentiometer somewhere into the breadboard and connect a jumper wire from the middle pin of the potentiometer up to pin 3 of the LM386. Now connect pin 4 to ground. And one side of the potentiometer, connect that to ground. Now we're going to put a 10 ohm resistor from pin 5 of the LM386. Bring that to another rail in the breadboard. And you want to put a 0.1 microfarad capacitor from that resistor into the positive rail. And then take the positive terminal of a 1000 microfarad electrolytic capacitor and insert it in between the resistor and the capacitor. Now you want to take the positive wire from your speaker and connect it to the negative terminal of that electrolytic capacitor. And then take the negative line of your speaker and connect it anywhere into the ground rail. Now we have to connect pin 6 of the LM386 to the positive rail. Alright, now we're ready to connect the input for the amplifier circuit. I've cut into an old pair of headphones from my iPhone to use the 3.5mm audio jack. And I have another blog post about this on the website. Just look for it under the circuit section. So you want to connect the left or right audio channel into the third pin of the 10K potentiometer, and then the ground of the headphones into the ground rail of the circuit. And you can check my blog post on this tutorial. It'll have a better diagram. It's a lot easier to see what to do there. So now I'm going to connect this up to my iPhone. Play this little song I mixed up a while ago. And there's our volume control. And you can see it sounds pretty quiet. We don't have pin 1 or pin 8 bridged together in the circuit, so the gain with this setup is only 20. Now if we want to make it a little louder, we can connect a wire between pin 1 and pin 8. And that'll make the gain 200. So you can see it's a lot louder. It's a little too loud. Got some distortion.